So let me show you how to turn on or how to enable the virtual keyboard on your Windows laptop or PC. So click on the start button and then go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to the menu on the left hand side. If it's not visible, they just click here so that it's visible. And then now you can scroll and select accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and click on keyboard. And then you should see the on-screen keyboard option where you can turn on using that toggle button, and that's going to automatically make the keyboard appear. Every time you close, it's going to toggle this option off and you need to turn it on. But of course, if you're doing this often, there's a keyboard shortcut which is Windows Control O. Okay, so anytime you press Windows plus Control plus O, it brings up the virtual keyboard without necessarily going through the entire settings. Thanks for watching and good luck.